Hello friends, welcome in class 5th. Our subject is a moral science. So students, today we are going to see a new lesson. The name of that lesson is Don't Hurt Others. Lesson number 11, Don't Hurt Others. So you know hurt means what? When we are behaving, our behavior is like that other peoples are getting hurt, so that is the hurt. Means other people are feeling sad, so that is the hurt. So don't hurt others. We have to not hurt anyone, because when we hurt to anyone, it only take few seconds to hurt others, but for take many years to heal. It take many years to heal. So that only we have to see in this lesson. So on first page you can see some picture is given here. Here some picture is given. So in that picture we have to, by observation of this picture, we have to make one story. So how you will make that, you will understand properly after the lesson. First we will observe this. So here you can see in first picture two friends are there. We will suppose that we will think that they are friends. So both friends are there, and first friend bring that balloon, and second friend immediately burst it. So after that again he bring second balloon, again second friend burst it. Then again third balloon he bring, and he directly give to his friend. So now they both are happy and they are playing together. So this is the oral understanding which we understand by that observation. Okay, by this story we understand that we have to not hurt others. If other is hurting us, so then also we have to give love to them. By our love, they will again change their behavior. So like that happen in this story. Now we will see here what is that. So here our lesson name is Don't Hurt Others. So a deep wound on the body made with a sharp weapon will be very painful and irritating. Furthermore, it will take many days or many even months also to recover. But a mental wound is more painful than it. A mental wound is more painful than a physical one. It takes a very long time to get healed. How it is? See, if we got any hurt on our body, so for that recovery, it will take few days, otherwise it will take a few weeks, otherwise it will take many months, but then also it will recover. But any physical wound, any mental wound if we got, so it will not recover at all. Long years it will like that only. So that here sentence they use, that is a mental wound is more painful than a physical one. So now here some point is given. Few tips are given which will help us to be more effective and interesting in the exchange of ideas and views. Means how we have to behave. Means we have to not hurt others. For that only, how we have to behave, how our behavior we have to take, that is given. Here some point is given that we will see one by one. So here first point is given, be convinced of what you want to convey and speak it out. Don't beat about the bush. When you do not know what to speak, you will surely speak something unnecessary. Means if we don't know what we have to speak and we are directly speaking anything, then it will definitely hurt to others. Means it will definitely, you will speak unnecessarily, and because of that speaking, someone will hurt. So when you are confident, that time only you have to speak more and more. Okay. So our point is given, that is beware of criticism. Finding fault with others is really a cruel hobby. There is goodness in everybody. There is goodness in everybody, and try to find it. Try to find it. It will help you to give the other person enough respect. Means some person have very bad habit to find out the fault only, to find out the bad habit only. But all person like me and like you all have some goodness and some badness. But always and always we have to focus on the goodness. We have to focus on the goodness. If our friend is there here in front of you, then we have to take his goodness, means what is his good quality, that we have to understand and that we have to recognize. Don't concentrate on its bad habit. Okay, so it will help you that you will give respect to others also, and that other person also give you respect. Okay, so now third point is there, that is the consider the other person equal to you. If you consider the other below your standard, it will be reflect in your world. Yes, it is the truth. When someone is with you, otherwise if our friends with us, so we have to not consider them downside of us. So we have to not consider them below our standard. How it is? If you will do like that, then it will reflect in your world. When you are speaking with that person, then it will definitely reflect that you are considering to that person below your standard. So that person will also understand, and that person will also not give respect to you. Fourth point is given, that is the remember that nobody is perfect. Remember that nobody is perfect except the other with all his or her limitation. Now in this world, like that, no person is like that. No, those have all qualities, and those that person don't have any disquality. It is not like that. All person have qualities and disquality. So we have to always remember this. And we have to accept other person with his or her limitation. That what is the disquality that person have, that also we have to accept, and what is the quality, disquality, that all things we have to understand. Okay, it is. So our behavior will be also like that. Always, next one is given, have a pleasant facial expression when you talk. Have a pleasant facial expression when you talk. A smile on the lips makes the other person interested to you. Other person interested in you. Like someone told that we have to, if we have too much sadness, if we have too much tension, then also we have to make smile on our face. Why it is like that? When we are doing like that, when we are giving a pleasant smile on our face, other person will be interested to talk with us. Like that is happening. So for that only, if any tension we have, then also we have to make smile. We have to come up from that tension also, and it will help you to fight against that tension also. Always try to make the other person feel important. Let him be the center of speech. It will make him interested in the conversation. Means what? We have to always try to make other person feel important. Means like that behavior we have to be that other person will understand that we are also important. Let him be the center of speech. We have to give importance of that person. It will make him interested in that conversation also. That because of that behavior only, that he will understand that we are the center of the conversation, and it will make interest in that conversation. Show respect for the opinion of others. Call attention to their mistake indirectly. we have to give respect, we have to show respect to others opinion also. Others people, if someone is giving their opinion, so we have to give respect them, we have to give respect them. And if any mistakes are there, so that also we have to correct, that also we have to correct by indirectly. Develop an ability to understand the feelings and problems of the person who are interacting with. Means we have to develop our ability to understand the other's feeling. Those, if we have this type of ability, so always and always we will, and other peoples will be also interested with us. Means we have to search their feelings, we have to understand their feelings and problems. Imagine yourself in his and her position, then do and speak what gives him happiness. Means if any situation is like that with that person, so we have to consider that on that position we are there, on that position we are there, and like that situation we have to understand, and what we will do, that we have to think. It will give others happiness, it will give other happiness. Don't praise others, don't praise others too much. It will create in their mind a bad impression. Don't praise means we have to not praise others too much. If we will do too much, then it will create a bad impression in his or her mind. Be truthful and sincere in your words. Be truthful and sincere in your words. Means what we are speaking, that also we have to speak truth. We have to speak truth, and what we are speaking, we have to be like that, we have to be sincere in our words. Stop when you feel that the other one is losing interest. Stop when you feel that other one is losing interest. Means if we are talking and if we understand that that person is not interested with us, that person is not interested to talk with us, then we have to stop there, not go long. So in this way, here few points are given, near about 12 points are given, which is useful to improve our behavior, and which will help us to not hurt others. So all of you understand this. Now that on the page number 52, some question answer is given, so that you try to solve that all question answer. Read that question and try to find out the answer. Okay, all of you students, bye.